In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to Instagram Notes on PC. We will do this right in Google Chrome using a handy tool that simulates the Instagram app interface on your desktop. That way, you can access Instagram's music library and publish a note with music without switching to your phone. Start by opening Instagram in Chrome, so you are already signed in to the account you want to use. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store to install the tool we need. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Choose Extensions, and then select the option to visit the Chrome Web Store. In the store's search bar, type Insist. Open the result labeled Insist Web Client for Instagram and click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation when prompted. This trusted extension brings a mobile-style Instagram experience to your browser, which is what enables music features. Once it's installed, open the Insist extension. It will load Instagram in an app like View right inside Chrome. If you are prompted to sign in, do so as you normally would. Give it a moment to initialize. On the left-hand side, you will notice a new plus button labeled Assistant. Click that. And from the menu, select Publish Story. This workflow gives you access to the same creative tools you'd expect on mobile, including the music library. A new window will open. Add your file from your computer. This can be a simple image background if you want the focus to be on your text note and the music. After your file is in place, click the Music button. Here, you can search for tracks, preview options, and choose the exact snippet you want to play. Take a second to listen and make sure the vibe matches what you want your note to say. Now add your text note. Keep it short and clear, just like you would in Instagram Notes. You can position the text so it's easy to read against your background. If your background is busy, consider a solid color or higher contrast placement so the message stands out. When everything looks good, click Publish. The post will go live with the music attached directly from your desktop browser. If you don't immediately see the music option, try refreshing the Insist window or updating the extension. Features can vary by region and account type, so make sure you are on the latest version. That's it. Thanks for watching.